When you want to use the turn signal, you push all the way up just like you normally would to make the turn. And I'm just going to come off the accelerator, slow down a little bit, make the turn. And when you finish the turn, it turns itself off. If it ever doesn't turn off, then I just made a right turn. If I want to cancel it, I push up again on the right, and that'll turn it off. And if you ever want to make a signal, but you don't want it to stay on, going to the right or the left, you can just come up and it'll give you a couple of turns and it'll turn itself off. But if you're going to make a turn coming off the freeway and you want to let people know for 4 or 5 seconds, if you click it all the way up, it'll keep going, showing that you're going to make the right turn. And if you want to cancel that, just push up a little bit to the right again and that'll turn it off. Same thing for left too. So left all the way down shows you're making a left turn. Once the turn is done, either by turning the wheel, it'll self-cancel, but if you don't want to self-cancel, you can push left again and it'll turn it off. We can see that the computer can sense things coming ahead, like this car on the right, sees that there's an obstacle, sees that. It's pretty neat when it sees like a cone, it can see that coming. Pretty slick.